You could turn your smartphone into a money-making machine, earning cash just by installing apps and playing games. No tricks, no gimmicks. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $7 a minute with a few simple steps. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start earning today. Step 1. Install the Earn 11 app. Let's begin by heading over to the Google Play Store, searching for the Earn 11 app, and installing it on your mobile device. Step 2. Log into Earn 11. After installing the app on your smartphone, this is what it will look like. Open the Earn 11 app and log in using your Gmail account to start earning money. Once you're logged in, this is how the Earn 11 dashboard will appear in your new account. Some earning sections may be locked initially, but don't worry, these will unlock as soon as you complete any Playtime offer. Earn 11 is available worldwide. The sign-up bonus varies, depending on your location. For example, users in the US receive a 4,000 coins bonus, while users in India get a 200 coins bonus. However, the withdrawal thresholds also differ. In the US, you need to accumulate at least 8,000 coins to withdraw, while in India, you only need 1,000 coins, which is an advantage. Step 3. Start earning with Playtime offers. To maximize your earnings with Earn 11, you can take advantage of Playtime offers found at the top of your dashboard. By clicking on the Play icon and granting the necessary permissions, you'll be directed to the Playtime Games page, where you can discover various apps and game offers to install and earn money online. Today, I see 4 different play-to-earn game apps available for installation, though sometimes you'll also come across other types of apps like social media or daily use apps that can earn you money. For instance, by installing and playing the Good Sorting game, you can earn 4 coins for every minute you spend playing, and potentially accumulate over 280 coins just for installing and playing this game for free. To learn more, click on More to access detailed information about the app. It's also important to review the reward conditions. Keep in mind that your earnings might take up to 24 hours to be credited, so if you don't see the coins in your Earn 11 account right away, don't worry. The app will verify your activity, and you should receive your coins within 24 hours. It's important to note that this game offer is available to new users only, as are most of the app offers on Earn 11. Therefore, make sure to use a brand new Gmail account when signing up for these offers. Additionally, you'll only receive rewards if you download the app through the link provided within the Earn 11 app, which I'll show you how to do shortly. Regarding the rewards, you'll earn 4 coins for the first minute of gameplay and 5 coins for the second minute. The more time you spend playing games on Earn 11, the more your earnings per minute will increase. Once you reach the maximum reward limit, you can expect to be credited within 48 hours. Step 4. Earn coins by playing games. To begin earning money with this gaming app, simply press the Play Now button at the bottom of your screen. This will redirect you to the Google Play Store, where you can download the Play to Earn Games app. As the game installs on my smartphone, I will click Play once it's ready to start. The Good Sorting game begins with a tutorial on how to play, and after completing this first level, I move on to the second level. For this level, I have 5 minutes to complete the task of placing similar goods on the same shelf. With many shelves available, I can start playing the game. After successfully completing the second level, I'm presented with the option to triple my earnings by pressing the Claim button, or proceed with the 84 star coins I've earned so far. I recommend multiplying your earnings by clicking Claim and watching a short 10 to 15 second ad. However, to save time, I'm continuing with just the 84 stars. To proceed to the third level, I press the green level 3 button on the Good Sorting game homepage. This level gives me 6 minutes to complete it and earn more coins. As you play, you'll receive notifications from Earn 11 indicating that 4 coins have been credited to your account. The more you play the Good Sorting game, the more coins you'll accumulate in your Earn 11 app account. After spending about 5 minutes playing, my Earn 11 account now shows a balance of 7,023 coins. By clicking on My Earnings, I can view the coin history in my account. You'll see the sign-up bonus and referral bonus mentioned earlier in the video. Additionally, I received 1,000 coins as a bonus for completing my first task, which is fantastic. These are my Playtime earnings: 4 coins, 4 coins, 5 coins, 5 coins, and 5 coins, all accumulated by playing the Good Sorting game in the Earn 11 app. Step 5. Explore more games. When I revisit Playtime games, you'll see that the Good Sorting game offer is no longer available because I've already started it. Now, only 3 other game offers remain. So far, I've earned over 23 coins in just 5 minutes playing Good Sorting. I could keep playing to earn up to 280 coins, but I'll move on to keep this brief. In Playtime games, I can install and earn from 3 remaining apps. Parking Jam, which offers 4 coins per minute up to 299 coins total. Investment Run Invest Fast, also offering 4 coins per minute up to 271 coins. And Block Smash Journey, which gives 3 coins per minute with a maximum of 176 coins. For Parking Jam, you simply install the app, click the yellow play button, and start earning as you play. You earn coins in your Earn 11 account every minute. For example, after a few minutes, I earned 150 coins and continued to the next level. After playing for 4 to 5 minutes, I now have 7,042 coins in my Earn 11 account. Checking My Earnings, you can see the coins I earned from just a few minutes of playing Parking Jam. Step 6. Cash out your earnings. To cash out your coins to your PayPal or bank account, start by clicking the Earn button at the bottom of your screen. Then, select the Cash Out Now button to be directed to the withdrawal page of Earn 11. On this page, you'll see that you need at least 8,000 coins to withdraw funds to your PayPal or bank account if you're in the US. Once you have over 8,000 coins in your Earn 11 account, you can proceed with the cash out. The minimum withdrawal amount may differ based on your country, as shown on the withdrawal page. Next, click the Choose Your Reward button at the bottom of the screen to select your preferred payment method, such as PayPal, bank transfer, or Google Play Store gift cards. For instance, if you choose PayPal, the minimum cash out is $5 or $8,000 coins. Click Continue, and you'll be taken to a page where you can choose the $5 PayPal gift card. After selecting it, press Continue, then enter your PayPal email address and the number of coins you wish to withdraw. Click Continue again to submit your payment request to Earn 11. PayPal payments typically process within 24 hours, although it might take up to 48 hours in some countries. With Earn 11, you can start earning money on your smartphone by installing and playing any play-to-earn games available. To maximize your earnings, regularly check the Daily Tasks section of the app and complete the tasks to continue making money. The more games you play or time you spend on apps, the more coins you'll earn, allowing you to cash out your earnings to your PayPal or bank account sooner. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, I'd love to hear from you. Which method do you prefer for earning money online? Playing games, completing offers, or using surveys? Drop your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Profitability Plus and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.